The final tool that I want to show you in using Smart Notebook, and then how I use it for math, is located in the same spot. All programs, Smart Technologies, Smart Tools, and it's called the Screen Capture tool. And this is something you can click and drag onto your desktop if you'd like. Very much like the snipping tool that's on most Windows systems, but the screen capture tool snaps it right into Smart Notebook instead of having to do the copy and paste. It has 4 different features. The one that I use the most would be this rectangle, so you're just clicking and choosing a rectangle for your snapshot. And then what it does is it sends it, either opens the Smart Notebook page, or if one's already open, it'll bring it right into that. So you can adjust it in there, but the way that I use it the most, as I said, going back to its options, the rectangle, this will do the entire screen, this will do part of the screen, and then this tool right here allows you to customize what you want it to look like. So if I want just this portion, I can do that, a different shape. I don't want that though. So how I use it extensively would be within Everyday Math. If you did not know, there's an Everyday Math folder on your desktop. So this would be for math teachers. If you double click on it, it will open up different options for the math books. The ITLG is the teacher's guide. So I'm a 4th grade teacher. If I want to view the teacher's guide, the big thick one with the binding, you double click on it and you're able to open it up. What I do is, if I am teaching a lesson, so here's my table of contents within my guide. Let's welcome to ITLG. So within table of contents, you have the different units and the different lessons. So let's say I wanted my polygons lesson. That's what I wanted to use. Click on it to open it up, and you can see it's just like in your teacher's guide. Say I wanted to go to, and I wanted this picture up on my smartboard. I can zoom in using either my mouse or one of these features up here, and then I'm just going to capture it. So I want a rectangle of this so that I can show, and I'm going to send it to my new page, so that I can show my students the difference between convex and concave. Again, I'm going to scroll out a little bit, and let's say there's this math book page that I want. If I want the pink text, which is the answers, I can zoom in on it and capture the portion that I want. So if I want to include the page number, I would do that. It's going to send it back to my link. So here it is with the answers. And if I didn't, I can click on it and it'll go to a blank page. And I can select it. And as it did before, now I have a blank page of it here. If I wanted to add others, I'm going to right click on it and do previous view. That will send me back to the full book, and then I can scroll out, find a different page. Maybe I wanted this page. Maybe I wanted to have a blank version of the math boxes on my lesson so that I could fill it out as a class, or I could explain it. So that's in there now. I'm going to do previous view, and maybe I wanted my study link there as well. Again, all I have to do is capture what I want and send it. So then here's my whole math lesson. Maybe I want to go through this page together as a group, fill it in, and then show them what the correct answers were. And then here's my math boxes that I want to do that day and my study link. And then I would save that file somewhere in my home directory or in the shared folder so that I'd be able to access that at a later time. Yeah, the screen capture tool is a really important one that I use almost daily. So whether it's taking a picture from the internet and putting it in my lesson, or from the math book, or an assessment, maybe we did I have some data that I want to show my team, I can put it right into a document and save it there. Or maybe it's a passage that I want to highlight and work through as a class. I can do that as well. If you have any questions, let me know.